Hello everybody, welcome to your Talking Fitchburg headlines on this finally not snowy Thursday, February 23rd, 2023, although it's going to get cold now as we've ended the multi-day snow event and now are going into cold weather period here, at least from what we've seen in the last couple of weeks. It'll be a little bit cooler tomorrow, but either way, we've made it, and now we can move on to bigger and better things. Like, let's talk about snow much information on the city's website. Yeah, listen in here. This is a great resource. If you haven't checked it out, we've created a snow page that has everything you need to know about snow. The good, the bad, and the ugly. Just saying. From activities, to shoveling, to adopting a fire hydrant, to skating. All of it's there for you, one spot. Go to our website, fitchburgwi.gov. Right there on our website. All right, Cyan Road Reconstruction Public Meeting number 3 is coming up. Want to make sure you get this on your calendar. The third public meeting for Cyan Road Reconstruction Project will be on March 8th, 2023. This will be held at the Fitchburg Fire Station number 3 that is located at 2950 South Cyan Road in Fitchburg. Note, access to the parking lot is off West Clayton Road, and this will be in the training room there. You'll get to learn a lot about the next phase in the projects, and including updates from DOT and more. If you got any questions, you can check in with our Director of Public Works. That's Tim Volker. He'll have that information for you. And of course, we'll broadcast that live here on Fact TV. And if you want to attend virtually to speak, we can set you up. Just email Tim, and he'll send you the link that you need for being virtual to speak or at a public meeting, but you can speak virtually at any of our public meetings. Do-it-yourself mix and match snakes. Let's talk about this. Fitchburg Library has some great information for you. The library is a great place for great resources and fun craft activities, like you make a colorful click-apart snake. You've seen these before. That twist and move like the real thing. While supplies last, for ages 5 to 12, February 24th, 4 to 5 p.m. at the Fitchburg Public Library. It's going to be a lot of fun. Library is where it is at. Free Welcome to Medicare seminars are coming up at the Fitchburg Senior Center. If you are turning age 64 this year, the Dane County Agency on Aging, wants to help you make informed choices about your Medicare options. The seminar will be offered Saturday, March 18th from 9 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. at the Fitchburg Senior Center. You must register with the Area Agency on Aging for this seminar. The email is aaa@countyofdane.com or call 608-261-9930. Cottontail Classic is back this year. This is a lot of fun. If you haven't heard about this one, it's great. Spring into action as the weather gets warmer. The Cottontail Classic is a family fun 5K and 10K race for everyone to enjoy, whether you're going for a PR or just the Easter candy at the aid stations. Yeah, sugar stations, I'm telling you. This is the perfect event to bring the whole family out. Don't forget to stick around after the race and enjoy some photos with the Easter Bunny and an Easter egg hunt for kids 12 and under. This may be a family fun Easter-themed event, but it also has all the offerings through a professional 5K, 10K race. Bring your family and friends and enjoy everything for the Cottontail Classic 5K, 10K has to offer. The date is Saturday, April 8th, 7:30 to noon at McGaw Park, 5236 Lacey Road here in Fitchburg. So happy to have this event here, and it's put on by Race Day Events, a local Fitchburg business here, so we're excited for that. And if you didn't know, all of the races put on by Race Day Events ties in with a nonprofit. Yeah, the nonprofits are teamed up with these, so you can donate to those. You can check the website for more information on the nonprofit for this race. And finally, I talked a little bit about top 10 BBB, top 10 steps to avoid scams. We did 1 through 5. I wanted to do 6 through 10. Yeah. Number 6, never share personally identifiable information with somebody who has contacted you unsolicited. Resist the pressure to act immediately. Use secure and traceable transactions whenever possible. Work with local businesses. And be cautious about what you share on social media. BetterBusinessBureau.org has all the great tips you need to stay safe and avoid scams. Have a great day.